Hi guys, my name's Marty from letsbuildwp.com, and in this video I'm going to show you how to change the date format on WordPress. So if we look here at this blog post on my demo website, we can see here that the date format is in US and all numbers. But to change this, we just need to visit our dashboard. Then we're going to click into Settings on the left. And then if we scroll down to the bottom, we'll see Date Format here. And we can change this to whatever we like. And we'll see here at the bottom there's a preview, and this is how it's going to appear on our site. Then we can also change it to custom, and then we can mix and match the different formats from these boxes into this box. And for my example, I'm going to use this one. Then under this we can also change the time format in the same way, but I'm going to leave this as it is. Then once we're done here, we just need to click Save Changes at the bottom. And now if we visit our site, we'll see that the date format has changed. So that's us now at the end of this quick video, and that was how to change the date format on WordPress. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, please give it a like to show your support. Once again, my name's Marty from letsbuildwp.com, and thank you very much for watching.